Who leaves a photo album?
Oh, they didn't care.
Who needs memories of your childhood and stuff?
Nice. And that's all of it. That's all she wrote for here.
Very entertaining.
No. But you know what? You're entertaining enough. I don't foresee, I mean, these people didn't have furniture when I moved them in, so I can't imagine they have a lot in there.
What brings you on over here?
Yeah, he's backed up on other moves.
I guess that's good, right?
Yeah.
Busy?
Yeah.
The statue of Alexander the Great. Yeah.
It's an interesting place to put that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys are doing both of ours today, right?
You got the 11:31 or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Clark.
If he doesn't catch up,
Yeah, gotcha.
it doesn't sound like they're going to finish. I think they have to do a big one, so.
Wait till you see this one in Clark. This is complete nonsense.
It's ridiculous.
It's literally a shed that squatters took over, and it took us, what, 7 months?
Yeah, literally
I'm not
kicking
even
them out of a
sure.
shed.
Wait till you see what this is.
Like 25
Literally a
years
shed.
ago, it was like a sandwich shop or something.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Mother-in-law suite? I don't know.
I don't know.
I grabbed the key that was over there.
Thank you.
One that out here or out back?
You got a front door in the back door here.
Yeah.
I think I'll.
Probably just out here on the tree lawn. And then if this isn't enough space, you can go down this side, but... Okay.
Cool. Alright. Sounds like they cleared it for us. You want to go take a look?
Yeah. I wonder if I should grab my gloves.
Just don't touch nothing.
Just don't touch nothing.
Easier said than done. The guy who always says, wear gloves. And then never wears gloves.
He's always touching something.
Yeah.
Oh, my name's Matt, and on this episode, I'm going to touch all this stuff. Oh.
Oh, good.
Anything else in the building that we have to worry about, like basement or?
There is a basement. This might be...
In the basement, and these people have access to it and?
Yeah, they have
That's
one
actually-
half of the basement. Shared with Unit 2.
Cool.
And the apartments into the kitchen? Alright, well, we'll just, have a start on this, and if you guys can get anything in that basement, or if you can confirm anything in that basement was theirs, we'll send them down there after they clear this out. Did the other guy ask where you guys want us to put the stuff?
Yeah, I told him the front tree lawn was fine. Okay. That way our guys can just park right out front and grab it. It shouldn't take too long.
It's pretty empty.
But make sure the toilet stops running before we go.
It broke our window. In the
What,
back
man?
bedroom, yeah.
Ooh.
Bro, they were out here computing in the 90s. Look at these computers. Yeah, there's not much here.
Who leaves a photo album?
Oh, they didn't care.
Who needs memories of your childhood and stuff?
I don't like my kid anyways, I guess they said. Probably turn that light off. Yeah.
It's like the first time ever. Grease on the stove doesn't smell super gross. Probably
Really?
sound weird, but it smells like kind of good. I think it's because it was used once.
Yeah. Whoa. I think that's water in that pan. Yeah. Stove looks okay. Fridge is okay. Well, that's not bad in here at all, man. Look at this.
Hey,
Inviting.
when did you say you had two moved in?
Like a month ago?
They might have stuff downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unit 4 probably doesn't have much downstairs.
How's your walk around?
Yeah, so on this side of the basement, there's like 6 machines. There's 2 that are marked 2. They have the stickers on them. And then there's 2 more. The way the electric is weird, the number 4 dryer plugs.
I see.
There's
They,
6 machines down there though, and you know, about 1,000 ends, but they might be to see if 2's home or if we can get a
Yeah,
hold of 2 on the
see.
phone. But I'm pretty sure there's at least a couple machines down there that look like they were hooked up with this number 4.
Sorry, guys.
Like everybody gets a spot and probably hand it right over.
Hard to do this shit with one hand. A nice little unit. Not too bad at all. Verizon 5G kit. This guy's way.
They can get down, really. It's 2 mattresses, 2 sets of mattresses, 3 sets of mattresses, 1 with the dresser, table and some bags.
Back hallway. Garage getting torn down soon. Oh, what the hell is that emblem? I've never seen that before. That's cool. No. Where's the plate for this one? Here? Nope. That ain't it, Chief. It's evictions. This right here. Why? Like, why you do this to my window? Just why though? You got the fan on now to blow the cold air that comes in and back out. Shit, it was pretty clean. It'll be a quick one. All right. Yeah, the pin's super broken, but it's in. It's locked. Yep. That's the broken window. This room. Super clean now. As you can see, post-eviction. Wasn't much shit in here to begin with, but it's all gone now. Everything in there was just trash, so I didn't take shit from there. You got soap for days on the floor in here. You like soap? You got it? Empty room with the trash. Step forward. Trash. Nice pair of cracks. New locks on the doors. Got that 5G. Child's play. Couple 2-tree locks. Do not touch that. Don't even think about it. All right.
Ready for Clark?
Yep, I'm ready for Clark. I'll head down and do a sweep of the garbage, and I'll start heading that way.
Alright. That way right now. I'm gonna lock the door. I'm gonna take this one.
Go for it. Oh, damn knees. Eviction. Don't come back. This is all the stuff that was in there. It wasn't much. This was a really short eviction. I only had a couple mattresses and shit. Nice. And that's all of it. That's all she wrote for here. Off to the next one. Oh, somebody likes Coronas. Alright, hold on, we gotta get the good shot where you can see the building. This is the money shot right here. Hell yeah. Get run over by a truck. Money shot. Money shot. Alright. Off to the next one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.